The field of civil engineering exposes the students in a diverse range of relevant courses, such as mathematics, physics, and material science, which serves as a foundation for their future careers. However, the demanding nature of these disciplines can occasionally weigh heavily on students, leaving them drained and longing for a break for leisure time. With the development of this program, students can have fun, put their knowledge to use, and still benefit from the opportunity to learn. We used KVMD or Kiwi Material Design as our Python module. It will allow the UI frameworks such as app, button, float layout, box layout, and more to run in the program. With this, the user can interact within the application, the graphical images and text can be displayed, shapes and sounds can be used. The name of the program, which is Civil Mind, will be displayed on the screen. Upon pressing the play button, the user will be required to input his or her name. After submitting it, the user will then proceed on the main menu. Main menu enables the navigation between the 5 available games. Upon selecting the Game 1 button, the application will direct the user to the game's instruction screen. The user must click the play button in order for the game to begin. At random, the application will display pictures of various tools and materials used in civil engineering. The answer of the user should be entered in the text field. The program will provide immediate feedback on the correctness of the user's answer once he or she clicks the submit button. The application will navigate to a scoreboard screen after 5 turns, then the results of the user's 5 guesses will determine their score.
The program will give the player a random number that will be presented at the beginning of the game, a basis for the 4 operators that they can select: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. While playing the game, the player faces 3 bot opponents. Following end turns, the application will direct the user to a screen displaying the number that was provided by the program, the operators that the user selected, and the last number that was provided. The Show Result button, which goes along with this screen, is where the application will reveal who won by getting the closest to 101. The player's task upon starting the game is to locate each statement's mistake related to physics and enter it into the text field to be displayed throughout the course of 5 turns. The program will give feedback on whether an answer is correct immediately. If accurate, the message "You are correct" appears and the next statement is displayed. If not, it notifies the player and shows the right answer together with its explanation. Following the completion of the user turns, the result of their 5 findings will be used to determine the user's score.
Once the user clicks the button for Game 4, the program will be directed to the instruction board of the game. The user must click the play button next to this in order for the game to begin. By providing answers to calculus-related problems, such as limits and functions, the user will engage in an intellectual exercise. Out of the 4 choices offered, the user must choose the right answer in 5 turns. If precise, displays an encouraging message "You are correct" and moves to the next question. If not, it informs the player and presents the correct answer. After 5 turns, the application will browse a scoreboard screen. Lastly, the Game 5 was Civil Engineering MI. The program will navigate the user to the instruction screen when they click the Game 5 button. For the game to start, the user has to click the play button. In each of the 5 scenarios depicted in the game, the player must choose the correct answer from the 6 choices available, which are the 6 majors of civil engineering. If correct, the following statement is shown and the message "You are correct" appears. If not, the game informs the player and displays the correct answer. The user will be able to view their score along with a congratulations message based on the outcomes of their 5 answers.
These games fulfill various educational objectives. First is One Pick One Word, which improves vocabulary and cognitive abilities by linking visuals with words. Second is Reach 101, which refines mathematical thinking. Third is Find the Mistake, which sharpens focus and critical reasoning. Fourth is Who Wants to Pass Calculus, which aims to solidify knowledge in calculus. While the last is What Civil Engineering Am I, which acquaints players with diverse engineering fields, thereby broadening comprehension within their field. These games face limitations such as a potential repetitiveness due to limited content, including a finite word pool for one pick one word, restricted number sets in Reach 101, and a finite number of scenarios for Find the Mistake. Additionally, Who Wants to Pass Calculus may lack the depth required to cover complex calculus topics thoroughly, while What Civil Engineering Am I may oversimplify the depth of various engineering disciplines, potentially missing their nuanced differences.